is time for the hotel tour for Hotel Nazionale tour, but now it's time to walk around and show just the general hotel area. We are right next to Parliament, very centrally located to all the attractions of Rome, so I've really enjoyed staying here, and it's been really easy to get all the different places. So as far as hotel amenities go, there's no pool, which I don't know very many places that have a pool, so that hasn't been an issue. We have had complimentary breakfast, so we'll just walk around and show what the general hotel looks like in the lobby area. Walking in the doors, one thing I look like is there are hand sanitizers everywhere still. Just off lobby on the left is a little seating area, and there's stairs going up to the different floors. Beautiful. And there is a little restaurant bar area. Full menu. You have snacks and signature cocktails, tiramisu, $12 for a pizza margarita. Well, 12 euros, sorry. Very beautiful in here also. The reception desk and like a concierge desk in the back. They gave us a city map when we got here and showed us all the things compared to where we're at, which is really nice. Behind these doors is like a little conference area, and we see luggage storage over there. There is a little bell cart, but that cart could barely fit one of my suitcases. There's two different elevators that take you to different sections of the hotel. It's really nice. There's multiple areas, multiple levels, everything accessible. Yeah, very long hallways, and then they have ramps that can fold down if you have to get from one side to the other. And you can't do stairs, so there was ramps that we noticed. That was kind of fun. Maybe I'll just show one of those real quick. And then just beyond the second lift is this magical door that opens at right around 7 a.m. that takes you to the breakfast.
Different types of milks. Yogurt. More cereal. This way. Water you can get on tap still or sparkling. Lots of coffee. Here they have hard-boiled eggs. This looks like eggs and bacon and sausage. Lunch meats and cheese. And lunch meat. Different toppings. Okay, this toast looks delicious. We got pies and croissants. Yummy. We are in room 220. And it's a very small room, but it's perfect for 2 people. So as soon as you walk in, we have a desk here and a little pot to make some coffee. Small nightstand. And this looks like a queen size bed. And then you just go around this corner and there's a closet with a full length mirror and then a small bathroom. So we have a stand-up shower here and a regular toilet. And then lots of counter space on here. And that's it.
To the left of the check-in desk. So another lift, the breakfast room. There is a lobby restroom. Just kind of go down this way for a second. Again, just beautiful displays everywhere. And the bar again. Another nice little seating area, and this is the breakfast room, but this is not where we've had breakfast. Map of Roma within original sites. And that is essentially the tour of Hotel Nazionale. Very beautiful, lots of fun artwork everywhere, very intimate, and we've really enjoyed it. We have made it to the Leonardo da Vinci Airport Hilton. We have dropped off our bags. Our rooms are not ready yet. So, yeah. Here's the airport behind us, Hilton in front of us. We'll do a tour of the Hilton later, but real chaotic as we were coming from the cruise. A bunch of people were leaving for the cruise, so people going left and right. But we have checked our bags in. We're gonna take a taxi somewhere, go get some lunch.
This is a non-smoking king-bedded room. So as soon as you walk in, the light switches are outside of the bathroom. But you come in and you've got a decent amount of counter space and one of the light-up mirrors. Then there is a bidet and a toilet. Very large, deep tub. And it's got the toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then we've got either the rainforest shower head or you can do one of the little wands. Plenty of towels. But there is not any storage space, so just this shelf and this shelf. And then across the way we have a full-length mirror. And then some shelves in the closet, an in-room safe. And this is actually pretty big. And then there's an ironing board and iron in there. And then there is a bench for here, right here to put your luggage on. We've got a TV, hardwood floors. That side has a nightstand, another nightstand and a chair. Here's a desk, reading lamp. And then our view is of the tennis courts. So this is pretty nice. And it's very quiet in here. I don't hear any of the traffic outside. So this is the front of the hotel. And you just walk out here and come around. There's like a covered walkway. And then there's elevators right here to take you up to here. And you just take this walkway all the way into the airport. So super convenient, very easy if you have an early morning flight.
Coming next on Colorado Family Travels.
The traveling day is done. We finally get to our hotel and start our adventure. We got a recommendation for dinner from the concierge, and it was amazing. They treated us amazing, and sitting in the alley, enjoying all the architecture was awesome. After dinner, we head over to the Trevi Fountain, and then just got to walk around and enjoy our first night in Rome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Come back next time where we'll show you all of our adventures where we're finally walking around. Now for us, it's back to the rat race.